Number 95. We're given a table of the number of cats, and it's essentially a frequency table. The number of households that have 0 cats, the number of households that have 1 cat, 2 cats, and 3 or more cats. The total number of households is 100 in our table. This might be the best problem on the exam. It's a percentage problem. It's not enough just to know how to calculate percent mechanically or percent change mechanically. You need to read carefully and understand the nuances of percentage change problems. So I've highlighted the question text here because that is really the key to this question. By what percent is the number of 1 cat households greater than the number of 2 cat households? Well, most students are just going to look at this and say, oh, 1 cat households, all right, that's 42, and the total is 100. So that's just going to be 42%, 42 over 100. And the number of 2 cat households, well, that's 35 over 100 is 35%. Well, I'm just going to look at the difference. 42 minus 35 is 7%. That's the answer. Whoops. No, it's not. What you just answered was the question, what's the difference in percentage of total households between 1 cat and 2 cat households? That's a very different question than what we see up above here. I'm going to do some language substitution that will hopefully help you spot and correct your mistake. The number of 1 cat households, that's 42. So I can just cross this out, actually. I'm going to rewrite this by what percentage is 42, and let's keep going, greater than the number of 2 cat households. Well, the number of 2 cat households is just 35. So let's cross out all these complicated words and substitute 35. Now my question becomes, by what percentage is 42 greater than 35? Oh, that's a different question than 42 minus 35. By what percentage greater is 42? So I need to do a percentage change calculation here. I need to calculate percentage change equals the new minus the old, so that's 42, the greater value, minus the 35. And remember, it's the old or original base value off of which we'll calculate that percentage change is the greater than figure, it's the 35. So 42 minus 35 divided by 35 times 100. We multiply by 100 to put it in a percent figure. This is just going to be 7 divided by 35 times 100. 7 divided by 35 is really 1/5 times 100 is 20. The correct answer is 20% is the percentage increase of 42 from 35. And that's really the question we're trying to answer here.